How to check recently sent friend requests on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check recently sent friend requests on Facebook. So, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So for this, you'll need to have your updated version of the Facebook. So you can update it by going to the App Store, go to search bar and then search for Facebook. And after you find Facebook, if you see an update button like this, tap on update. After you've updated the app, you can open up your app, make sure you're logged in. Then right here, you can go to the friends option. So go to the friends section right here. Here you will be able to see any requests that you have received. And if you want to see the requests that you have sent, go to this friend requests option on the top here, tap on it, and you'll see no new requests or any available requests right here. Now tap on the three dots on the top right corner right beside the search option. Then you'll see view sent requests. So tap on that to see all of the requests that you have sent. And that's how you can check recently sent Facebook friend requests. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.